Hey friends, welcome to English Smart Practice. We've got a great story to help you learn real English naturally.
First, listen and enjoy the story. Then, we'll explain the most useful words and phrases. Let's begin.
Story. I used to eat a lot of junk food. I loved burgers, fries, and pizza. They were quick, cheap, and delicious. But after a while, I started to feel tired all the time. I noticed that my skin looked dull and I didn't have much energy. One day, I decided to change my eating habits. I started by cooking at home more often. At first, it wasn't easy. I didn't know how to make healthy meals, but I watched videos and read simple recipes online. Slowly, I learned how to prepare my own food. Now I cook dinner every night. I use fresh vegetables like carrots, spinach, and tomatoes. I also buy fruit like apples, bananas, and oranges every week. I try to include something green in every meal. For breakfast, I usually eat oatmeal with milk and honey. Sometimes I add sliced bananas or strawberries on top. It gives me energy to start my day. For lunch, I often eat rice with grilled chicken and salad. I like adding olive oil and lemon juice as dressing. It's simple, but very tasty. For dinner, I make soup, stir-fried vegetables, or baked fish. I avoid fried food as much as possible. I've noticed that light meals at night help me sleep better. I used to drink a lot of soda, but now I mostly drink water or fresh juice. My favorite is orange juice with no added sugar. I don't eat many chips or cookies anymore. I eat nuts or yogurt when I feel hungry between meals. They make me feel full and happy. I sometimes enjoy eating out with my friends, but even when I go to a restaurant, I try to choose healthy options. I often order grilled chicken, steamed vegetables, or sushi. Eating healthy makes me feel more active and alert. I'm in a better mood and don't feel tired anymore. I really enjoy cooking at home. It helps me relax after a busy day. Sometimes I eat a burger or ice cream, but I eat them as treats, not every day. It's important to have a healthy balance. I'm proud of what I've done. My eating habits have changed a lot. Now, I don't just eat to fill my stomach. I eat to nourish my body and feel good.
Words and phrases. Junk food. Food that is not good for your health and often has too much sugar, oil, or salt. Example, I used to eat a lot of junk food like burgers and chips. Delicious. Very good to eat or drink. Something you really enjoy eating. Example, the pasta was delicious. Everyone finished their plates. Eating habits. The way a person usually eats. What, when, and how often they eat. Example, I'm trying to change my eating habits and eat more vegetables. Healthy meal. A meal that is good for your body and gives you energy. Example, a healthy meal includes vegetables and protein. Tasty. Having a good flavor. Delicious. Example, the soup is tasty. It makes me happy. Stir fry. A way of cooking food quickly in a hot pan with a little oil. Example, she stir-fried chicken and rice for lunch. Juice. A drink made from fruits or vegetables. Example, I drink orange juice every morning. Light meals. Small amounts of food that do not make you feel full or heavy and are healthy. Example, a salad and soup are good light meals. Treats. Special foods you eat sometimes for fun, not for health. Example, ice cream is my favorite treat. Nourish. To give your body food that helps it stay healthy and strong. Example, fruits and vegetables nourish your body.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.